Are you having problems with LAME project not locating the libmp3 LAME Encoder DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before we start the libmp3 LAME Encoder configuration, consider using the Diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the libmp3 LAME Encoder, the primary execution library for the LAME MP3 Encoder. It provides high-fidelity psychoacoustic modeling for RAW to MP3 compression. While used by many media players, it is most searched for by Audacity users. Without it, the application cannot export as MP3, citing an encoder module not found notification. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Errors involving libmp3 LAME Encoder DLL typically indicate that the LAME project files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered libmp3 LAME encoder component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of libmp3 LAME Encoder DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing libmp3 LAME Encoder and maintaining system stability. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for libmp3 LAME Encoder or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.